What's the matter, Alex? I don't know exactly, Ben. My teeth hurt a lot. Could you tell me where the pain teeth are? It's near the molar. Do you know what this is? I think that you are having wisdom teeth. It will annoy you a lot if you don't go to the dentist. Okay, Ben. I will go to the dentist tomorrow. Would you like to go with me? I really don't want to go alone. Yes, I will go with you. Don't worry, my friend. Thanks, Ben. I have to go home now. See you tomorrow, my friend. Goodbye, Alex. Welcome to MK Hospital. What can I help you with? Hello, my name is Alex. I booked a dental appointment yesterday. Let me check. Oh, I see you. Mr. Alex at 9 a.m. Come in, please. Thank you. And you are? Do you want to check your health too? No, I am Alex's friend. I just went with him today. Oh, for guests, we have a region over there to wait for your friend. You can go there and drink a coffee if you want. Everything is free. So good. I will come there when my friend Alex is in the clinic. Hi, nice to meet you. Could you tell me your problem? I think that I have a wisdom tooth on the left. I'm not sure about it, so could you help me, please? Yes, let me check what it is. Do you feel constant pain at home? Yes, doctor. Huh. Yes. I also think you are growing a wisdom tooth, but I have to have an X-ray to be sure of your case. Please open your mouth big until I say okay. Yes, please. All right. As you might guess, you really have a wisdom tooth on the left. I think I have to pull this tooth out for you. It is growing in the wrong way and can cause the surrounding gums to swell and become infected. Okay, doctor, when do you start extracting my tooth? Right now, if you want. Yes, I'd love to. I hate this annoying tooth. Ha ha ha. Okay. So please wait for me for a while to prepare. Oh, I heard that you have a friend outside. Do you want me to inform him about your case? He will be impatient if he has to wait for a long time without any reason. Yes, please. Thank you, doctor. You are welcome. You should have braces on your teeth. Hello, I am Dr. Rachel. Nice to meet you. Could you tell me your problem? Hi, doctor. I'm Anne. A boy said that I was an ugly girl. He also said that you have bad teeth. They look so funny. What a naughty kid. If I were you, I would beat him. Yes, but I can't hit him. I don't want to get in trouble for it. But, Rachel, do you see that my teeth are so ugly? If you are not confident about your teeth, you can do something to improve them. You should have braces to have beautiful teeth. Oh, that is a great idea. Can you give me more information about it? Yes, of course. You may feel quite annoyed at first, and you can't chew the food normally because it may hurt you. Moreover, you will have to pay a big fee, so you have to talk to your parents first, since you are still a high school student, as I see. All right, Rachel, I will learn more about it. Thanks for your advice. You're welcome, Anne. Excuse me? Are you busy now? Hi. No. What's up? I think I'm lost. Could you help me? Sure. Where do you want to go? I am trying to get back to my hotel. I am living in a revenue hotel. Do you know it? Unfortunately not. But did you check the location on Google Map? I think it will help you a lot anyway. Yes, I did. But I'm so bad at reading maps. I have gone around this area for around 20 minutes. Oh, let me help you. Oh, it's next to the AM Mall, isn't it? Yes, that's right. I know that mall. Awesome. But you are a long way. I thought I might be. I can give you directions because it's not too complicated. Thank you. It's this way. You can go straight ahead, cross 2 crossroads, then turn left at the 3rd one. At the 3rd crossroad? Okay. Continue past the supermarket, then turn right at the 1st crossroad there. Okay. Then you can sign to direct you to the AM Mall. It's one of the biggest malls in the city. Thank you so much. But maybe I'd better catch a taxi. The distance is so far. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. You can get one of those at the end of this road. Okay. Thank you for your help. Buy groceries.
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like to buy some flour, bananas, and apples. Do you have them?
Yes, we have. What kinds of flour do you need?
I want to make banana bread.
Ah, then you will need wheat flour and baking powder. How much flour do you need?
5 pounds of wheat flour and 2 pounds of baking powder, please.
Okay, how many bananas do you want?
10 bananas, please.
How many apples?
I want 8 apples.
Is that all?
Yes. How much is it?
It's $19.
Okay. Here is my card. I forgot. I still need olive oil. Do you have it here?
Yes, I have.
How much is it?
$12 for a bottle.
Okay, I will take one bottle.
All right, so $32 in total.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Do you need a bag?
No, I don't.
Okay, please scan your card here. Done. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you. You too. At the supermarket.
Mommy, what is on your shopping list today?
We need to buy a lot of things. Let's go to the meat section first.
Okay, Mom.
The first is chicken breast.
How many chicken breasts do you need?
2 boxes.
Mom, I want to eat fried chicken wings.
Then buy it.
How many wings are enough, Mom?
Get 10 wings then.
Okay, Mom. Do you need beef?
Yes. Let's take 2 tenderloin steaks and move to the vegetable section.
What do we need here, Mom?
Let me see on the list. Lettuce, Brussels sprouts, chilies, and potatoes.
How much vegetables, Mom?
1 pound of lettuce, 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts, 1 pack of chilies, and 2 pounds of potatoes.
Okay, let me get them. What else do we need?
We still need eggs, fruits.
How about going to the fruit section and I will get the eggs?
Okay, I will be in the fruit section waiting for you.
How many eggs do we need, Mom?
Just take a dozen eggs.
Okay, I remember we ran out of butter and sugar, Mom.
Then you go and get 1 bar of butter, a pack of sugar, and milk also.
How much milk should I take?
A carton of milk.
Okay, Mom. I will see you in the fruit section.
Okay.
Here you are, Mom.
Good. Do you need anything?
Can I buy some snacks and soft drinks, Mom?
Okay, go grab some, but don't take too many.
Thanks, Mom.
I will go to the counter to pay. I will wait for you there, okay?
Okay, I will see you there.
Why do you eat so little? Oh, a stressful working day is finally over. Hey, Callie, are you free tonight?
Yes, Lily.
What's up? Do you want to hang out with me tonight? We haven't had coffee together for a long time.
That sounds great, Lily.
Do you want to have dinner together before coming to the cafe? I know a restaurant which has many delicious Chinese foods.
Sorry, Lily. I think I just can't go for coffee with you.
Why, Callie?
I haven't had dinner in a long time. I need to lose weight and keep my body fit.
Oh no, Callie. Look at you. You are so thin right now.
You can't be skinny anymore. This is still not the weight I want. I have to lose more than 9 pounds to reach my goal. Come on, Callie. You look a bit skinny. Don't skip dinner anymore if you don't want to lack nutrients and become weak. I do not think so. I watch videos on YouTube and there are many beautiful and skinny girls. I want to be like them. I know, Callie, but you are having a fit body right now. You don't have to look like anybody. You are so pretty. If you keep dieting, your health will be greatly affected. You should not do that. Maybe you're right, Lily. I feel that my health is not as good as before. See, Callie, you should eat healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. They will make you stronger, but also won't gain weight. Makes sense, Lily. Thank you for your advice. So, we will have dinner tonight together, right? Yes, Lily. I will take you to a vegetarian restaurant. Their food is good for you and me. That's a good idea. Okay, Lily. See you tonight. Okay. Bye, Callie. I really want to gain weight. Hey, Callie. How have you and your boyfriend been lately? Yes, tell us a little more about your new boyfriend. Our relationship is very good. He just gave me a new watch, and I really like it. Wow, you are so lucky, my friend. Oh, Rachel, you look so thin recently. Are you trying to lose weight? No, Lana. I am also very worried about my weight. What's the matter, Rachel? Recently, I often stay up late to watch movies and chat with my friends on Twitter. I think that's why I'm thinner. You're right, Rach. You shouldn't go to bed late. It's very bad for your health. Believe me, Rachel, you have to stop it now. Can you give me some advice? I tried several methods, but still can't sleep early. That's because your body is used to staying up late. You have to be really determined to reduce time on social media and watch movies. You should try meditation. It can help you reduce your thoughts and go to bed early. Yes, I will try it. Also, you should do some exercise. It will consume your energy during the day and make it easier to fall asleep at night. That makes sense, Kelly. Should I eat more nutritional foods to gain weight? I think you just need to eat on time and live properly. The most important thing is to sleep on time. I agree. Thank you for your advice. Oh, it's time for the movie. We should go to the theater as soon as possible. Okay, Rachel, let's go watch this movie.